Wall Street's main indexes ended mixed on Tuesday, with the Dow gaining about 0.3%, the S&P 500 closing roughly flat, and the Nasdaq shedding more than 0.33%. Investors focused on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's Senate Banking Committee hearing, during which he said the central bank was in no rush to cut interest rates due to the economy's overall strength. Powell's remarks came a day after President Trump raised tariffs on steel and aluminum imports, which some economists fear could help fuel inflation. His comments also came a day before the Consumer Price Index for January provides the Fed with more critical inflation data. Brian Mulberry, client portfolio manager at Zacks Investment Management, said he'll be watching for two areas that have made it particularly challenging for the Fed to reach its 2% inflation target.
If we see lower prices in used cars and rents, it might actually put a measurable shift lower on those core pricing structures. So it was all the other services outside of those two items, and that's what puts a big emphasis on the gains that were made in December. They could actually reverse now and give us a little bit of relief.
Stocks on the move Tuesday included Tesla, which tumbled 6.3% a day after Reuters and other outlets reported that a consortium led by CEO Elon Musk offered $97 billion to buy the nonprofit that controls artificial intelligence startup OpenAI. Shares of Coca-Cola gained 4.7% after the beverage maker beat fourth-quarter revenue estimates, helped by price hikes and resilient demand for its sodas and juices. And Apple shares climbed more than 2% after The Information reported the tech giant was partnering with Alibaba to develop and roll out artificial intelligence features for iPhone users in China.